Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I hope you had a great weekend. It's Shout Out Monday. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Let's get the shout out on the road. And we got one popping out. And we got Tracy Phillips. Sweet. I don't think Tracy has a sticker, does he? I don't think he does. Nonetheless, this channel will be linked down below. And, yeah.
Well, alrighty, there we go. This channel link will be down in the description, as always, and there'll be end cards somewhere on screen, as always. And let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, all the way from our very appreciated recruits to our very, very appreciated veterans. Let's not forget either 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. We should get it down to 0. 22 a day, no more. So as always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.